Hello, this is Tom Cloud with this bi-weekly precious metals market update. Today we're going to talk a little bit about market as we end the year. 2 weeks from today, which will be Wednesday, I will do the update and forecast for 2020. So let's kind of review real quickly what's happened this year. And well, first of all investments have done well. Stocks have done extremely well. All metals have done extremely well. This has been one of those special years where the economics have worked, unemployment's gone down, there's been more jobs out there, investment returns have gone up. So there's been a lot of positive to talk about in the financial world, including Europeans waking up and really affecting the metals market by trying to get out of paper money, which we've been doing here in this country. You've watched the bond market have a rough year, or an average year, a little below average, compared to precious metals and stocks having a strong up year. As I record this on December 18th, 2019, gold is up 15.2% for this year. Silver's up 10.4%, which is lagged behind the other investments. And platinum is up 19%. I feel real great about the buy signal I gave back mid-year about getting into platinum. It's up about 15% in 5 or 6 months. So I look for that to continue up. And palladium, 56% up, the number one investment in a category for 2019. So, but I do feel palladium, when it corrects, I may have been early giving a sell signal at 1700, it's gone up another 8%. So yes, I missed it on one hand, but on the other hand, the ones of you that sold, including me, will be happy when all those car companies change to platinum for the catalytic converter from palladium, and we'll see a big jump in platinum that we're in and a decrease in palladium is what I feel will happen. So it's been a just absolute incredible year for precious metals. And while I don't think palladium's going to go up 56% next year, I think we're going to be looking at double digits in gold, silver, and platinum. And I'll go into that more in 2 weeks. So today, the ones of you look at this soon, you need to look at our silver special. I mean, the silver ratio to gold is ridiculous, over 90 to 1. And it's just not any way that gold will keep outperforming silver as it has the last 2 years. When silver cracks, it's going to make up a lot. So I've got a real special out today, December 18th, 2019, that you can call us at 800-247-2812 to talk about the Falcon coin made by, it's in the endangered species category, where the Royal Canadian Mint has made 5 different endangered species. And this is about the Falcon that was put out in 2016. They're 1.5 ounce, incredible 0.9999 silver, and the most beautiful coin you've ever seen. And we bought several thousand of these. And I'm talking about, this price is unbelievable. It's 99 cents an ounce over spot, when there's not another retailer that we've checked their websites that are less than $2. I mean, most of them are $3 and $4 over spot. I mean, this is like an unbelievable deal. So check with Dan or I at 800-247-2812. If you're on our mailing list, you've probably already received it by the time you look at this, as it went out at noon today, December 18th. So we're real excited about it. We'll be talking in detail in 2 weeks about it. But all I can tell you is just go to usdebtclock.org and really promise me you'll go look at it as you watch the deficit soar through 23 trillion. While all these great things have happened this year, Trump has just produced the biggest debt in the history of civilization. And you need to look at it and go look at what the real price of gold and silver is based on from the time gold and silver quit being real money in 1932 until today. I mean, we're talking about thousands of dollars an ounce for gold and silver, hundreds of dollars for silver. So that's going to adjust back. We just don't know when. But please go to usdebtclock.org, spend about 30 minutes looking and realize that thing is just going straight up, our debt. And we're at a near time when people are not going to accept the US dollar and it's going to crash. Is it 2 years away, 1 year away? A lot of I would have to do the election next year. But rather getting ahead of ourselves as we look at impeachment procedures and things that also would be extremely good for precious metals above everything. Stocks and bonds could have some real trouble if the president were to be impeached. But we'll get to that at a later date. So market conditions are silver, buy. Yes, it's lagged behind. It still had a double-digit year this year. And all I can tell you from my conference calls with Europe, the Europeans have awoken and they are smoking and buying metals like they haven't bought them in years, and it's causing premiums to go up in the United States and Singapore and around the major buying areas of the world. As I talked about in Singapore, the 100-ounce silver bars are being bought, and just go to and look every Friday at the short and long positions in metals. The long are growing as the major people are getting out of short positions, realizing they don't want to be killed in the market. So we believe this will send the physical market up as well as the futures market that we've talked about several times on that. So anyway, hopefully this is a catch up. Happy investing in 2019. And if you don't have and are interested in a precious metals self-directed IRA, we can be your broker and your agent. We cannot be your custodian, but we can direct you in the right direction. A lot of you are baby boomers like myself. You're rolling out and retiring. You're taking your 401ks. You're doing one self-directed IRA for stocks and bonds and one self-directed IRA for precious metals, which you should diversify. We know that from Ecclesiastes 11:2, to divide our wealth 7 or 8 ways, because no man knows what disaster will come upon the land. So be diversified, get into different areas. But fortunately for this year, 2019, we've had them all go up. And next year, as I said, it's going to be a special year for metals that I will cover in more details in 2 weeks. So in summary, call us about a self-directed IRA. Visit usdebtclock.org. Call us about these special Falcon silver coins that you will never have an opportunity. When I called other wholesalers, beside the one that made this available to us, they wanted 35 cents an ounce more than we're selling to you. Unheard of, and probably the best super special I've ever had. With this bi-weekly precious metals market update, this is Tom Cloud signing out.